DJ Delz.
Welcome to a brand new episode. We got some new Funko Pops to unbox. Thank you everyone for tuning in. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe. There's also a little bell next to the subscribe button. Hit the little bell. It lets YouTube know that it is okay to let you know when I upload a new video. So it is definitely important so you don't miss out on any future content. And I am a little unsure what is in this box. Actually, I know what's in this box. This is from Hot Topic. And this is something that you could find right now if you're looking for it. I'll put info in the description box. I love how they packed it. I think it's awesome that they actually packed it with care. This is the second time I've seen this. I got the Kurt Cobain Funko Pop. Now, I grew up loving the group Nirvana. One of my favorite bands. Definitely one of the bands, if I could put together a soundtrack of the music I grew up with, Nirvana was definitely on that soundtrack. I used to listen to Nevermind over and over again. Even the other albums like Bleach before that. Always been a huge fan of them, and it really broke my heart when I found the news about Kurt passing away. It really killed me as a kid, just loving the music and being such a fan. And the pop looks amazing. Really awesome. And once again, it is available right now. You can pick it up. I will put information in the description box below if you're looking for him. I think they nailed it. I really think they absolutely nailed it on this pop. You know, sometimes they don't nail it. Most of the time they do, though. And in this case, I personally think they nailed it. Let me know what you think, though. There's two other versions, too, that came out. I didn't get them. I'm probably gonna get them, though, because I really, as I said, I'm a huge fan of Nirvana, Kurt Cobain, and I would love to pick it up. I hope they come out with Nirvana Pops, too. I would love to get the other two of them, and hopefully that happens. I think that's very necessary. So, Funko, let's get that cracking. Let's not forget the other two of them, you know? I mean, especially Dave. Dave is popping with the Foo Fighters. He's very relevant. I'm going to open up this box while we're talking. Still super relevant in today's music. So I can't see why they wouldn't put out the rest of the band, especially Dave, who is amazing. And the next pop I got, which I'm opening right now, is a Funko that I slept on. I kept seeing it in the stores, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to pick it up. And then, eventually, they were gone. And I looked, and I seen people reselling them for so much money, like $40, $50, and it's Morgan. I never thought that this pop was going to be worth that much. I got it for retail, but it has a damaged box. You see the box is messed up in the corner right there, but it really doesn't matter to me. As long as I have him, that's fine. This was one I always wanted, but I just passed on it because it was always available. So, you know, that happens a lot with us. We see the Funko Pop. We know that it's something that, oh, I'll get it next time. Oh, I'll get it next time. And then before you know it, they're all gone. So I could not find a Morgan Funko Pop anywhere. Let me know if that's the same case with you all when you go to your stores. Is there are no more Morgan Funko Pops, because for a while I would see him, I would see Rosita, and I would see a bunch of them, but not Morgan. I definitely need Abraham. I'm looking for Abraham. If anyone wants to do trades with me, I have tons of Funkos to trade with. I've got doubles of a lot of them, including chases. So let me know. Hit me up over at Delz Toy Show on Instagram. That's my Instagram, strictly with toys and pops. Or hit me up at Real DJ Delz. And it's going to be interesting to see how it goes down with Morgan on Fear of the Walking Dead. That show, to me, it was great the first season. Then the second season was like up and down. I don't know how I feel about it, but I really was hoping they were going to have Abraham come aboard on the cast. I thought Abraham would be awesome because a lot of us miss him. And they should have just kept Morgan on The Walking Dead. I was a little disappointed in the decision, but that's just me as a fan. I really wanted Abraham to be in Fear of the Walking Dead. I thought that he would totally help with the ratings. I don't think Morgan is going to help long term with the ratings. I think that people love seeing Morgan on The Walking Dead. You know, I think he is great on that show, but we'll see the future. We're almost there. We're almost there. The new seasons are coming out, and I'm super excited about it. There's new Funko Pops coming out with The Walking Dead. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to get King Ezekiel. I love how he talks. I think it's so funny. I just die laughing at some of the things he says. Man, it's just such an amazing show. If you never watched The Walking Dead, but you hear all your friends talking about it, watch it. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. Even if you're not into that kind of stuff, the storytelling is fantastic. Some people say the first couple of seasons weren't good. They're crazy. The best. The first couple of seasons are the best seasons. I hear a lot of different stuff when I talk to people, and in my opinion, it's getting worse as time goes on. The episodes are just not getting as good as it was in the beginning. And I highly, highly, highly recommend this show. Let's take this one out of the box. We might as well. There's Morgan with his stick. Man, he can kick some serious ass with that stick, man. He just be killing it with that stick, man. How about that fight with him and Jesus? That was insane, right? I love that. I thought that was fantastic, man. Hit that thumbs up if you agree too, man. That was a pretty good sequence. Jesus is annoying me on the show, I gotta say. I'm gonna talk about Walking Dead a little bit. What is going on with him, man? He's got all these saviors that are ready to just cut throats in a second, and he's just like, nah, we can't we can't harm them. Meanwhile, they did so much ruthless things. The show is just, the show's crazy to me. Also, a spoiler alert, by the way. I mean, if you haven't watched any of the episodes, I guess you should leave right now, or you should have been left. I apologize. I want to talk about Carl real quick. How do you guys feel about them killing off Carl? Carl! I hate that they're getting rid of him. I really hate it. I don't understand it. I feel like it is just nonsense. Explain to me why you think this is the right move, if you think that this was great. Some people don't like Carl, but I think most people do. And in the comic books, he's supposed to grow up to be that dude, you know? I don't understand why they killed him off. The way they did it, I'm not mad at it. I know a lot of people are. They're like, oh, that's so stupid. He got bit. But it kind of reminds us, the viewers, that even though we've been seeing humans versus humans, these zombies are still out there, and they're still dangerous, and they still can get you. Because the show started humans versus zombies, you know, surviving the zombies. Then it became humans versus humans. And that's what it's been for a long period of time, because the humans were able to adjust. The humans got used to the survival mode with dealing with these zombies. So it ended up becoming one crew versus another crew. And it was a big wake-up call now that Carl got bit by a zombie saying, hello, don't forget about us. Don't forget, we will bite you and kill you. We are dangerous. Look what we've done to this world. That's basically what the zombie said by doing this. You know, they didn't really say it. They're like... That was me just translating... That's basically what they were saying, you know. Don't forget about us. We will take you out. But yeah, man, they did Carl dirty. I'm not feeling the way they did it, and I'd love to know your opinion on that. Plus, I really want to see a new Carl pop with the actual patch on his eye. Where is that? What are we waiting for? Funko, why do we not have that yet? We got a bunch of Funko Pops from Carl. I think there's 3 or 4 different Carl Funko Pops. There's one that's pretty rare that's 7-Eleven exclusive. But we need the Funko Pop with the patch. So hopefully we'll get that soon. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. If you want to see out-of-the-box reviews, make sure to subscribe to my other channel, Delz Toy Show. If you have Funko Pops, it's just more content. So right now, go over there, subscribe to Delz Toy Show. And if this is your first time coming here, or your second, and you like this vid, make sure to subscribe here. This is the Delz Show. The Delz Show. Thanks for watching. Much love. Happy hunting out there. And I will try to do a new vlog very soon, hunting for these pops. We out of here.